My name is Muhammad Awad, and I would like to share with you the amazing of PhytoScience. A lot of people now love me. Do you know why? Yes! Because of what? Because of crystal cell. Because of crystal cell, I'm here now. I achieve my dream. I change my life. I help a lot of people to change life. Because of what? One product from PhytoScience. Do you know how many products in PhytoScience? How many? 10? Do you know how much I earn from PhytoScience only from crystal cell? $400,000 I earn from PhytoScience. I'm crown director because of PhytoScience, because one product, crystal cell. The amazing of PhytoScience, not who we are. So many people here, doctor, maybe so many people, I think, study more than me. But the challenge here in PhytoScience, what you want to do in your life. Now I decide to change my life. I join PhytoScience and I help a lot of people. This customer, okay, last 15 days I'm in Egypt. I found this customer. He already have double tick and then have this problem. The doctor decide to cut his leg. Very easy. I tell uncle, what happened? I just come back from hospital. The doctor decide to cut whole my leg. Why? Because I cannot recover. You see? Do you see? Do you know how many days to see same leg, same problem? You can see the result. How many days?
20 days.
Can you guess?
20 days.
Oh my God! Wow! 20 days. I think no have here. Yes. Okay. Yes. The amazing of 20 days. Only consume crystal cell. Crystal cell. One product. My sale up to 50 million ringgit with PhytoScience. My income up 400,000 with PhytoScience. Crazy!
Crazy.
Now the time for you to decide to help a lot of people, to help yourself, to help your family, to be somebody in this world.
True.
The dream is free for everyone. Who has dream? Who has dream? What is your dream? What is your dream? If you know what is your dream, you will be success. I asked myself last time, what is my dream? And I know what is my dream, and I go for my dream, and I do my best for my dream, and I'm here because my dream, and I believe myself, I believe PhytoScience, I believe everybody here, I believe you can be millionaire. Who are you? You have to be millionaire with PhytoScience. If I do from zero, I don't know anything about MLM. I never joined any MLM company. But I can do it. What about you? You can. What do you want? You have to be millionaire. I'm a millionaire. You have to say, I'm a millionaire. I'm a millionaire. I'm a millionaire. You have a dream. Don't live your dream. Never. I don't want to live my dream. Every day I have a new dream. Every day I am very excited to achieve my dream. I have free car from PhytoScience. My own house from PhytoScience. My people, my family, everyone here because of PhytoScience. my dream life and my dream wife here in PhytoScience. Oh, because of what? I believe myself, and I believe PhytoScience, and I believe one product you can change a lot of people's life. Now, time for you to decide. Now you are here. What do you want? You can ask yourself, what do you want? I can do a lot of things. Last time I don't know how to speak English. Last time I don't know how to eat Malaysia food. Last time I don't know how to cakap Malayu. I can cakap Malayu. Yes. Now, everyone have to decide and everyone have to go back, think again, what I want, what is my dream, and how I can achieve my dream. If I achieve my dream, who can help me? You have to have a plan. If already I decide to achieve my dream, I have to have team. Now we are here, Crown Director. Thank you for Mr. Adel Abdul Ghaffar from Egypt, Diamond. Thank you for Dr. Nashwa, Black Diamond. Thank you for Gato Zaza, Crown Ambassador. Thank you for Mambina from Philippines, CEO of Philippines. Thank you for everyone here. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Bonsri. Thank you, Mr. Francis. Thank you, everyone here. Satish, all of you, one family. If we are here, one family, we can do something. If we here to share, to help a lot of people, you can do something. Next photo. Another patient. And congratulations for myself. This is my new office. I have a big office already. I buy two office. Okay, I have two big office around 5 million Egyptian pound. And if you see my car behind, this car totally free from PhytoScience. 2 million Egyptian pound. And if you see the system, we have a new challenge, and I will go for new challenge. I'm already past 54,000. 54,000 from 100,000. Already I'm very near. And I will go for 300,000. What do you want? You want car? You just do work. If you see this, our customer, I take the photo and I have video, face to face, video. You can see only 14 days, one packet of crystal cell, 14 days. You can imagine, 14 days. This is the magic of PhytoScience. Now, please, if you believe yourself, you have to decide how to help your family and how to help yourself and how to help everybody already have any problem, don't know how to I don't know how to recover. I go to visit many doctors, I go to many hospitals, but the time for you to share with everyone about crystal cell. Time for you only to talk about crystal cell. One product can do a lot of things. Can you imagine? We have a 10 product. Now I'm a millionaire because only PhytoScience, and I love PhytoScience family, and I love everyone here, and I believe everyone here have a dream. You have to be strong and you have to believe your dream. You have to believe yourself. You have to believe your leader. You have to understand how to speak about our amazing product, our amazing company. Now, time for you to have a dream. It's time for you to achieve your dream. Thank you so much, and I hope I want to see everyone millionaire. I'm a millionaire. I'm a millionaire. I'm a millionaire.